Hi guys. So today I'm going to teach you about filters and screens, okay? So in our last lesson, we discussed about the list view and the detail view, okay? So now let's go to the screen tree. So just click here on the screen tree, okay? Just click that. And as you can see, we only have one screen, okay? And it is the main screen. So what I want to do is I want to rename this screen, okay? So let's just click this icon and click this pencil icon and then click rename. Okay, so let me just change the name into lunch, then click OK. So if you're asking why did we change the name to lunch, it's because I have an article here. It's a lunch article, and the items are ultimate tuna sandwich, everything salad, quinoa salad, etc. Okay, so now I want to add another screen. Okay, so we can do that by clicking this plus button. Okay, but we can also do that in another way, okay? We can do that by cloning the launch screen, okay? So let's click this icon and then just click this clone button, okay? Just click it and then we'll name it snacks. Then click OK, okay? So if you're asking why we renamed it snack, it's because we have an article here entitled snacks, okay? So what I want is to have one screen per article, okay? So you also have your article about superfoods and article about dairy, okay? So each of these articles will have their own screens, right? Okay, so let's clone this launch screen. Okay, let's add superfoods. Click OK. And then let's clone it again and then we'll name it dairy, then click OK. Alright, so now let's go back to the lunch screen. Okay, let's go back to the lunch screen, click open. Okay, so what we want, okay, is remember our lesson about the database. Okay, we want to edit the database, so click edit. Okay, let's go to the database. Okay, so this is our existing database. So if you remember with our lesson, we have the name column, description column, and the photo column on the database. Okay, so now what I want is to add another column. So let's click this plus button, okay, to add another column. And I want to rename this column. So just click this icon and click rename. Okay, so we'll rename that column into type. Okay, so what will we put in this column? Okay, so we will put the type of item. Okay, so ultimate tuna sandwich. Okay, it belongs under the lunch type. So let's just click this and put lunch. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy that for all of the items. All right, I'm gonna copy lunch because quinoa salad is lunch, veggie salad rolls is lunch, and chili is a lunch item. Okay, so now we want to add the rest of the items. Okay, so here's our snack article. Okay, we're gonna copy the first snack item, which is clean trail mix, and then we're gonna paste it here. Okay, and then we're gonna copy the description of the clean trail mix. Just copy it and then paste. Okay, and then what kind of item is clean trail mix? Okay, that is a snack item, so let's put snacks. Okay, and click X. Alright, so now we're gonna copy the rest of the articles. Okay, the second snack item is a loaded smoothie, so let's just copy that. Okay, let's copy the description of loaded smoothie. Then we're gonna copy the third snack item, which is a Greek yogurt parfait. Okay, let's copy that and then copy the description of the Greek yogurt parfait. Okay, alright. So again, what kind of item is loaded smoothie? It's a snack, so let's put snacks on the type column. Okay, and then Greek yogurt is also a snacks. Okay, so just do that. Okay, so next we have our article about superfoods. Okay, so the first superfood is chia. Okay, just put your chia. and then the description of chia. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this video and I'm just gonna copy all the description and the items for the superfood section. Okay, so now I've finished copying all the superfoods items. Okay, all the items in the article superfood. Actually, only have three items, just chia, quinoa, and the berries. Okay, so now what kind of item is chia? Okay, what type of item is chia? Okay, it is a superfood, so let's put that on the type column. And then the quinoa is also a superfood, so let's just paste the superfoods. And berries is also a superfoods. Okay, so next we're gonna add the items for the dairy article. Okay, so the first item here is milk. Okay, let's copy that, and then let's copy paste the description of milk. Okay, so the second dairy item is ice cream. Alright, so let's copy that here, and then let's copy the description of ice cream. Alright, and lastly, let's copy butter and the description of butter. Okay, so let's copy the description of butter. Okay, so now let's go here on the type column. Okay, what type of item is milk? Okay, that is a dairy item, so let's put dairy. And then let's copy the here on the ice cream, because ice cream is another dairy and butter is another dairy. Okay, so now click accept. Okay, so actually I forgot, we have to upload the pictures here. So for the clean trail mix, just click this icon. Okay, and I already uploaded the pictures here, so let's just okay, click check. Okay, and the loaded smoothie. Okay, let me just upload the pictures. Greek yogurt parfait. Okay, chia. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this video and I will finish uploading all the images. Okay, okay, so let us add the last picture for butter. Okay, just click this icon and click butter. Alright, okay, so now we're done. Okay, so as you can see, there are four types of items here. There's the lunch items, there's the snacks, there's the superfoods, and there's the dairy. Okay, and now let's click accept. Alright, so remember we have the lunch screen, the snack screen, superfoods, and dairy. Okay, so now we're here on the lunch screen. Okay, okay, so now we need to remove this filter. Let's just click X and let's add another filter. Okay, so this is in the filters and order section. Just click this icon and then click this filter one. Okay, then click this plus button and then click type, and the operator will be equal, and then on the valor section let's put the type, which is a lunch, and then click accept. Okay, so this means this filter, okay, it means that with the lunch screen, okay, only the lunch type of items will show on the lunch screen. Okay, this filter ensures that only the lunch type of items show on the screen. Okay, so now let's go to the screen tree and let's do the same for the other screens. So now let's go to the snack screen. So just click this icon and click open. Okay, so now we're in the snack screen. So there's this filter. Okay, okay, since we remember that we cloned this snack screen from the lunch screen, so it's gonna say type equals lunch. Okay, so what we want is we're gonna change the lunch into snack. Okay, click accept. Okay, by the way, okay, when you see this snacks lunch, okay, in this box, where do we get where we're putting on this blank? Okay, we are getting this from the database. Okay, remember here in the database, I'll show you. Click edit. Okay, we are getting that from the type column on the database. Okay, we're getting this from the type column: lunch, snacks, superfoods, dairy. Okay, this is where we are getting it. Okay, and not on the screen name, because it's the screen name is snacks. Okay, but we're getting this from the database. Okay, so if there's a wrong spelling on the screen and a different spelling on the database, what you need to follow is the spelling on the database. Alright? But what I do here is I just use the same name for the screen name and the same name for the type on the database, so I don't get confused. Okay? So now let's go to the next screen. Okay, the superfood screen. Just click open. Okay, let's go to the superfoods. Now we're in the superfoods. Now there's this filter again. Just click it. Okay, again, since we cloned this page, the screen from the lunch screen, it's gonna show, the filter is gonna show lunch. Okay, so we're gonna change this into superfoods, then click accept. Okay, but if for example there's no filter here, okay, let's just remove the filter, just an example. Okay, if there's no filter here, let's add another filter by clicking this one, this icon. Okay, and then click here, filter one, just click that, and then click this plus button, and then click on the field section, just click it and click type. Okay, and the operator is equal. Okay, the operator should be equal. And then on this valor section, okay, what you will write is the type, which is superfoods, and then click accept. Okay, so now we're done for the superfoods. We're gonna go to the dairy, and we're gonna do the filter again. Okay, so just click the filter, and then again it says lunch, but we're gonna change it to dairy. Okay, type equal dairy. Okay, click accept. Alright, so I'll show you what happens here. Okay, so let's just go here. Okay, so this is the lunch screen, for example. Okay, this is a live app, and when we click it, it shows only lunch items. But our database includes lunch, snacks, dairy, and superfoods. But because we filtered it, it only shows lunch items. Okay, so now the snack screen shows only snack items because we filtered it to show only snack items for the snack screen. Alright, so that is what it does. Okay, now let's add the navigation menu. Okay, let's go back to the screen tree, then click the plus button. Okay, and type navigation. Okay, click OK. Alright, so let's go to the navigation. Just click this icon, then click open. Okay, and then we're gonna click the detail view. Okay, go to detail view. Just wait a bit. Okay, so now we're here. So let's add a separator here. Let's add two separators, and then let's remove the lines. Okay, no line, no line. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the navigation buttons. Okay, so let's click table. Alright, so for now I'm just gonna pause this video. Okay, and I will make the navigation screen. Okay, just hold on for a bit. Okay, so now I've finished uploading the navigation buttons. Alright, so now we need to connect the appropriate button to the correct screen. Okay, so let's start with the launch button. Okay, let's click launch button and click edit. Okay, so you see here there's no action. Okay, it says here no action, so just click that, click go to screen and choose screen. Okay, so let's click that, and then we're gonna choose the launch screen. Okay, so now we're gonna do that for the snack button as well. Okay, so click the snack button, click go to screen, choose screen will be snack screen. Okay, so we will do that for all these buttons. Okay, superfoods button, go to screen, choose screen, superfood screen. Okay, dairy screen, dairy button, click it, Go to screen and choose screen is dairy screen. Okay. So what will happen is like this. Okay. So it's very, very important that we connect the correct button to the correct screen. Okay. Because if we don't connect, what will happen is even if we click this and click this and click this, then nothing will happen. Okay. But if we connect it, okay, if we choose click the launch button, we will go to the launch screen. Okay. So you see here, if we click the snack button, then we'll go to the snack screen. Okay. Superfoods button, click it, and we will go to the superfood screen. Okay. So it's very important that we connect it. Okay. And another very important note, let's go here to the screen tree. And you can see here that superfoods is on the very top. Okay. We need to make the navigation menu on the very top. Okay. So let's just click this icon and then click the number one. Okay. The number one that says main screen. Okay. Because the um, screen that is on the very top, that will be the main screen. Okay. So what is the main screen? The main screen is the first screen that you see when you open the app. Okay, so let's open the app. Okay, and then this is the first screen that we see. Okay, the navigation screen is the first screen that we see, so it means that this is the main screen. Okay, but if we choose the launch screen and assign it as the main screen, then the first screen that we will see is going to be the launch screen, which is like this. So when you open your app, the first thing you will see is like this, and that is not good. So it's very important to assign the appropriate screen as the main screen. So in this case, it's the navigation screen. So let's just do that again. Just click this icon and then click the number one, okay, that says main screen. Okay, so that is how you assign a main screen. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.